Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You first get the GPS mod installed and recognized. Do not skip that. Load the mod, then start Fs22 and attach the GPS-enabled device to your vehicle from the shop. Once attached, open the GPS menu and choose a satellite or local mode. Make sure your map coordinates show at the HUD corner. You need to calibrate offset and working width now so paths align. This initial calibration prevents repeat steering errors and saves time later. Now you create precise guidance lines and set parameters for fieldwork. You select line creation, then drive or click to place waypoints along the field edge. Once done, define headland width and driving direction. Make sure to set working width to match the implement and add an overlap % if you need extra coverage. Also enter implement offset and lift points so implements don't collide. Once your lines are saved, you can auto-drive or follow them manually for consistent lanes. Finally, engage auto-drive and let the GPS steer you. You will still monitor speed and implement lift points. You should save lines per field and export or backup settings so you don't redo calibration after updates. If the vehicle drifts or misses passes, stop, check implement width and offset, then recalibrate the GPS centerline. Most issues are misconfigured offsets. Also disable other steering mods to test conflicts. Repeat calibration until passes align consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.